It's the first vlog. Well, I'm tatted. Yatted.
You yatted?
Blasted. Hell nah. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. We got Hugo. We got both our cars out here. I pulled the E46 out because today we were really bored. We had no content and I had a great idea. Hugo has these stock wheels on his car. But a lot of people like those wheels. They're clean, but I thought of an idea. I'm like, bro, we have this car just sitting here in the same bolt pattern and everything. How would these wheels look on his car?
How do you guys think it's gonna look?
I think it's gonna look freaking sick. And they're 18, so they're a little smaller, which I like 18s on the E92s. They look pretty cool. Right now he has 19s. I don't know, I think it's gonna look sick, bro. And we have brand new Conce wheels in the garage, if you guys remember. I told Hugo that I need to throw those new ones on this car, so maybe these spares, I told him just keep them for a bit. Throw them on his car, maybe rock them on his E92 for a little bit, so it's like a whole different look. And I think it's gonna look super sick. I feel like these just look way too stock. Once we throw these wheels on, hopefully the fitment's good. I'm pretty sure the spec is pretty similar, so hopefully the fitment's good and this car's gonna look crazy, I think, on 18s and with the Conce wheels. Again, huge shout out to Conce for the huge sponsorship on the E46. They were one of my first sponsors for this car, and we had these Conce wheels for about 2 years now. And like I said, we gotta throw the new ones on soon. Hopefully very soon. I just gotta buy some tires for those. But yeah, let's see how this shit looks. It's gonna look freaking sick. But E46 is gonna look super ugly with these wheels, I think. Super ugly, bro, I swear. I don't even want to see this car with those wheels on it, but I don't know. We'll see how the E46 looks with some 19s on it. It's gonna look trash. Too bad we can't throw these on it. You've never seen them?
No, these are hard, bro.
Look how shiny, bro. Look, we could have red caps.
God,
we could do chrome caps. Hard on.
You need these.
Should we go put it next to your car? That's how it looks. It does look pretty good, huh?
Oh
From down here,
God,
you can kind of
bro.
see, like, with the lip, you can kind of envision it.
That looks crazy.
Sheesh! I actually gotta buy some tires so that we can throw these on. These shits are so shiny. It is gonna look like a track car. You gotta just keep these, bro.
I'll buy them, I swear to God.
I'm not gonna lie. Alright, 2,000.
I'll do it. I'll tell my Anybody wanna buy these?
Yeah, somebody buy these. I know, dude, a lot of BMW owners want these wheels.
They're just super dirty right now.
Message Hugo if you guys wanna buy these. With tires. These tires are like brand new. I don't know about the E46.
That shit looks hard!
It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look good either. Hell no. Yeah, bro, these are gonna look insane, huh?
That's probably the hardest wheel I think Conce makes.
Yeah, it is the hardest wheel. It's just so shiny. I just gotta put tires on them, bro. This shit looks so good. Sheesh. Oh, hell no, you go.
Yeah, it probably looks pretty good.
The rear
does
is
look
too
good.
small.
You just need to slam it, bro, and put a little space in the front. I'll put like a little 5mm in the front, and that should be perfect, bro.
Sick!
It looks so ugly. So guys, we ran into another problem, but we solved it. That's Hugo's rear wheel, we put on my front. And that's Hugo's front wheel, we put on my rear. The reason why is because these are too small and they don't clear the big old Brembo brake in the front. So we had to put the wider wheel on the front, which looks... It looks cool, but the back looks ugly, bro. Look at that shit. Yeah, this car looks ugly like this, bro. This though, this looks insane, dude. It looks modified now, Hugo. It don't look like a stock M3 no more. I love like the chrome lips. That shit looks sick. All right, guys, another freaking problem. I don't know why nothing's going right. This is the second day trying to do this. First of all,
Imagine we would have done this yesterday night, bro. We would have been so pissed.
yesterday we didn't have the right
Tool.
size socket, so we had to go buy a socket. I bought sockets. They broke because they were cheap sockets, so we didn't even do it yesterday. Now we tried it today with the right socket, and now the wheels don't even clear. For some reason this one fit and doesn't rub, I think, but this side didn't, so it's stressful. We're gonna go park it in the garage, then take it off, and if it doesn't clear, it's fine. The car won't be moving in the garage, if that makes sense. After like an hour, we're done, bro. She looks so sick. I freaking love how it looks. Once the car's lower, this car looks so much better. Like it'll be a huge difference. You gotta lower it like 2 inches, bro.
But imagine the car's literally gonna be on the floor. Look at the lid.
I know.
It will literally be on the floor.
This car looks so ugly, but tomorrow I think I'm gonna go mount those new Conce wheels on the car. Cause I really wanna mount those, the full chrome ones. It's like a track car, bro, with 18s.
It looks insane.
Dude, if you lower it.
I feel like the red caps just look good on it because of the red on the car.
And I like the red caps, honestly. All right, just making sure nothing rubs, but it seems fine to me. It's funny, I told Hugo, since these are my wheels and tires, that means I could go drift Hugo's car right now because it's not messing up his tires. They're my drift tires. So maybe we'll go do some donuts in Hugo's car. Well, I'm telling Hugo, all he needs is to redo his headlights, like black out the housings like I had. And that's it, and lower it. That's the only thing you need to do. Lower it, put the headlights. Bro, it literally looks like a completely different car. God damn. I feel like those suited E92 so good. Why did I never think of this, guys? I could have threw them on my car. We just had a little photo shoot. I'll throw the photos on the screen after this, but just look how clean this freaking looks. Comment down below, what do you guys think about the wheels on Hugo's car? If I ever got another E92, I would definitely do 18s, like a track setup look. I already did like the stand style bag look. I kind of think 18s with a fat tire, like my GTR, would be so sick. All right, I'll throw the photos on the screen right here.
Nick wants to do donuts, and I'm like, it's only right. It's his tires, you know. Okay, go. Let's get the fuck out of here.
That was a sick angle. I got tires all in my eye.
Whoa! Bro, it looked so hard.
I hope it was focused on this shit.
Well, that was fun. I did some donuts in it, if you guys saw, and I freaking missed the gear, bro. But yeah, guys, that was fun. This car's so much fun to drive and drift. I'm so mad I missed the gear. I feel like going back and doing it again. I was literally gonna turn around and be like, all right, let's do it one more time, bro.
When I heard you hear it, I was just like, oh yeah, he missed it. In my head, I didn't say that.
That's crazy, bro.
Essential Auto Spa?
Essential Auto Spa.
Where can we find you guys at?
Yeah, guys, Essential Auto Spa. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Jordan and David getting down on all the car washes. If you guys need a car wash in LA, Orange County, IE, wherever, bro, we'll pull up.
Bro, and this was
It'll be
super.
sick.
It was a lot faster because David waxed it.
I know.
So if you want some wax treatment.
Park. All right, guys, we parked about 2 miles away from the meet.
I swear.
There's no parking. I'll walk down the whole aisle right now and show you guys. Hopefully our cars don't get towed here. I hope. Oh my God, all right, we made it in finally.
What's next?
What the fuck is this, bro?
Oh man, another Mustang. Alright.
There's no way. I think they're doing like a two-step battle.
Get 2 new cars.
That's where everyone's going, but I can't even see it. There's so many cars. Man, that's hard. It's just clean. The color is crazy, bro. That color is insane, dude.
You think gonna win it?
I don't know. This is the homie's RX-7. This shit sounds crazy. Oh my God, bro. I've heard this car, and this car is super loud. That shit hurts your ears when he hits like the little anti-lag 2-step. Holy shit, bro. They're really doing a 2-step battle over there. I want to film it, but there's just so many people. But look at all these whips that are out here. We got RX-7s, Kix's Nismo, R34. This shit is beautiful, bro. I feel like you can't go wrong with a blue R34 with like this bronze TE. And then hella Supras over here. I love Supras. Oh my God, that thing is beautiful. And then of course we got Mark's R34. The cleanest R34 I've ever seen, I think. I'm pretty sure.
That's hard, bro.
beautiful, bro. Look at the wheels, the paint, everything.
First time I've ever seen an R34 in person.
Really? There's no way.
Bro.
There's a blue one over there too.
Back up,
All these
guys,
people up
back
here
up.
watching the
Forward,
two-step battle.
focus. All right.
That's so funny.
Back up.
I think the RX-7, bro.
She's just money clown. Make a hole. We're eliminated by default, man.
My fucking eyes, bro. What the fuck? My eyes are green. My eyes are white. What's up, bro? I can't even see. God damn. But that was crazy, bro. My eyes were.
That's my eyes watery, bro. I was crying.
All right.
That a little checkers loud. So loud, like it's actually ridiculous. Look at this wrap on this Camaro. Holy crap. This color is insane, bro. What the? That is a beautiful ass RX-7. Holy crap. It looks so sick without a wing. Just clean and simple. Sheesh. And R32. Let's look at Gustavo's car. Oh my god. You got a cage? I like the cage. I'm jealous, bro. I want the same cage in my GTR. Same color. Oh my god. The homie Mark R34. Gustavo.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real.